In this constantly evolving world, financial empowerment has taken on a new dimension. The internet has unlocked endless opportunities for earning money online, but with these opportunities comes the challenge of managing and maximizing these earnings effectively. This guide to financial empowerment will show you how to take control of your online earnings. Understanding online income sources. The first step in this journey is understanding the various sources of online income. The internet offers a wide range of earning opportunities, from freelancing in various fields like writing, graphic design, and programming, to digital marketing, affiliate marketing, content creation, e-commerce, and investing in digital assets like cryptocurrencies. Each of these sources has its own potential and requirements. For instance, freelancing offers flexibility but might come with income instability, while e-commerce requires a good understanding of the online marketplace but can be highly lucrative. It's essential to explore these avenues and understand which aligns best with your skills and interests. Budgeting and financial planning. Once you've identified your online income sources, the next crucial step is budgeting and financial planning. This is especially important for online earnings, which can often be irregular. Start by setting clear financial goals and tracking all your income and expenses. Tools like budgeting apps can help you manage your finances more effectively. Remember, a budget is not just about tracking expenses. It's about planning for the future. It's about setting aside savings for lean times, investing in your growth, and ensuring that your online earnings translate into financial stability and growth. Maximizing online earnings. Maximizing your online earnings is not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. This means improving your skills continuously to stay. Reinvest in your business or skills. A key strategy for growth is to reinvest a portion of your earnings back into your own online venture. This could mean investing in better equipment, advanced software, or even upgrading your website. For freelancers and content creators, it might involve spending on professional development courses, attending industry conferences, or obtaining certifications that enhance your skills and marketability. By continuously improving your business or skill set, you increase your potential to earn more in the future. Explore diverse investment options. Don't limit your investments to just your field of work. Look into other avenues like the stock market, real estate, or mutual funds. These traditional investment paths can provide a safety net and grow your wealth over time. For those comfortable with more contemporary options, digital investments such as cryptocurrencies or peer-to-peer lending platforms can also be considered, keeping in mind their risk profiles. Risk management and security. In the online world, risks such as cyber threats, fraud, and market volatility are prevalent. Protecting your online earnings involves implementing strong security measures for your digital assets. Use robust passwords, two-factor authentication, and secure networks to protect your online accounts. Moreover, it's essential to be vigilant about scams and fraudulent schemes that prey on online earners. Always conduct due diligence before engaging in any online transaction or investment. Success stories and interviews. Learning from those who have successfully navigated the online earning landscape can be incredibly inspiring and educational. Seek out interviews and success stories of individuals who have made a significant impact through their online ventures. These narratives not only serve as motivation but also provide practical insights and strategies that you can apply in your own journey. Taking control of your online earnings is a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. The digital world offers endless possibilities, but it requires diligence, smart planning, and a proactive approach to make the most of these opportunities. Start by assessing your current online income sources and how you can optimize them. Implement a robust financial plan and be mindful of the legal and tax implications of your online activities. Invest wisely, both in your business and in your personal growth, and always stay alert to the risks involved. Financial empowerment is within your reach. With the right strategies and mindset, you can transform your online earnings into a foundation for long-term financial success and stability. Take the first step today towards taking control of your online earnings and charting a path to financial empowerment.